Good morning, it is Hugo Mak from Hong Kong, and it is my pleasure to present to you our study titled Sleep Disturbance Mediates the Association Between Disease Activity and Work Productivity Impairments in Chronic Urticaria, recently published in Allergy. Chronic urticaria is an immunological condition characterized by hives with without angioedema for more than 6 weeks. While its psychosocial burden is substantial, to our knowledge, however, the relationships between disease activity, sleep disturbances, and work productivity and activity impairments is still elusive. Therefore, we've conducted this study in the UK and in Hong Kong, where we have recruited a prospective cohort of patients with chronic urticaria. For these patients, they have completed a panel of PROM prompts, which include US7, CUQ2L, and then WPAI, that are respectively for their disease activity, quality of life, including sleep and concentration, as well as work productivity and activity impairments. Based on their responses, we have conducted a bootstrapped causal meta-analysis to analyze the interrelationships between these outcomes. And these are the major findings of the study. In total, there are 246 patients with chronic urticaria included, of whom around 80% were female, around 60% got history of concomitant angioedema, and approximately 20% of them got potential urticarial triggers. And the first important finding in the study is the significant correlations among these PROMs. And more importantly, as we have constructed our meta-analysis models, we could appreciate the significant, meaningful correlations between active urticaria and impaired work productivity and activity. And very importantly, this correlation was actually mediated by sleep and concentration impairments. As you could appreciate from the figure, around 30% to around 50% of the total effect is actually mediated by poor sleep and concentration. So the take-home message of study is that in chronic urticaria, the significant correlation between disease activity and work productivity and activity impairments are actually mediated by sleep disturbances. With that in mind, future efforts in chronic urticaria research and care may be directed at addressing this common yet critical unmet issue among patients with chronic urticaria. This is the end of the presentation, and thank you for your attention.